Morning. Guten Morgen. How are you guys doing? Today's Monday. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. What's new and exciting? Let's go for a drive home. I think it's the first day of spring. Is it 21st or 22nd of March, the first day of spring? Je ne sais pas. 22nd. It's kind of crispy this morning. Which way did I come from? I cannot remember. Have to hang a left or right? It's a left. You can make a right as well. Let's make a right here. It's alright, I gotta go that way to the left, but no problem. Over here you have Lexus Spinelli, and over here you have a lot of people waiting for the boo-boos. Boost. This thing's making too much noise. Downshift to third. Yellow light, a little bit of brake. I turned on the yellow. Sue me. Sue me. I turned on the yellow. So yesterday I had to boost my car. Boosted the battery. It's very easy to do when you know what you're doing. It's not the end of the world. It's not so hard. And I killed my battery because I was inflating my tires with my portable pump, portable tire inflator from Canadian Tire. And this morning I'm feeling the bumps on the road, the cracks and crevices a heck of a lot more because I have more pounds per square inch. So the tires are a little bit harder than usual. That's a trade-off because I wanted to get better fuel economy. That's why I inflated the tires a little bit past the maximum point. Hence now I get to feel all the irregularities of the road, you know. And you can hear them too in the video probably. You can see it and hear it. I do have an interview, a phone interview, 1 o'clock this afternoon with a software company. So I may not a lot. It's not gonna pay, you know, $100,000. It's not gonna pay 50 grand either. So it's work, you know. And at this present juncture, either I move away to another town or another province like I did 15 years ago, or I just work like, you know, a manual job or a manual labor job. So anyways, I might decide to take it if they offer it to me, or like I said, I have a phone interview with a software company today, and that might be more suitable to my experiences, my work experience. Although I have floated my resume to like hundreds of companies out there. And don't forget, I have my store. I have my little online store, which I'm selling little toy cars. jbrc.online. If you'd like to check out my Shopify store where I sell these little model cars, die-cast cars. They're also pullback action. jbrc.online. So jbrc is lowercase letters .online. And right now I have about 20 cars for sale. I need to buy more stock. I need to find a good supplier. Suppliers are hard to find for good prices. We'll take it from there. So if I stay in the service road or if I take the highway, the service road I get to drive a little bit slower and save some fuel. I don't know what I shall do. Yeah, I'll just, that's it. There's this car. A lot of cars on the road this morning. I've forgotten what it's like to drive with heavier traffic. BMW West Island. So anyways, look at that truck up front. I'm trying to keep the speed limit. I don't want to get a ticket, as I mentioned before. It's probably most likely a cop waiting with a radar gun. So to wash this car again. It's dirty. Make another video about that. So yeah, I'm still looking for work. So until, if my store does succeed, then that's gonna take a long time. If that happens, it's gonna take a while. So whenever you start a business, it's good to have, if you can afford to start a business and you have savings for at least 2 to 3 years of savings, because you're probably most likely not gonna start making money from that business right away. So it takes between 3 to 5 years to be successful, to start being profitable. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing what I can. I'm doing as much as I can. We'll see how that turns out. I have to spend money on advertising. I'm sure there are other, probably less expensive or easier businesses to get into. It's hard. It's hard to start a business from scratch. It's very difficult. I'm just on the service road because I'm trying to drive slower so I don't waste so much fuel, because I'm not in a rush to go home, not in a rush to get anywhere in particular. I mean, I'm going home, yes, but I'm not in a hurry to get there. There's a lot of trucks on the service road today. Anyways, that's it. It's gonna be too long of a video, so have yourself a great day. I might make another video about washing this car. Already put the air in. I already boosted my battery. I didn't need to boost the battery this morning. I'm just keeping the booster with me as a precaution. Thanks. That's it. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.